Dear EBF family, I'm grateful to the technology that we have. We can talk to each other, we can see each other, and we can pray with each other. I'm grateful to every country that they are members in EBF and every church that they helped us in Lebanon during our different crises. Today I have some good news for you. The church in Lebanon is passing through transformation process. We grew up in our churches, we're looking only inward. But now, instead of only proclaiming the gospel, churches in Lebanon are demonstrating the gospel. As Apostle John said, let us not love in word and tongue, but in deed and truth. You will be very proud of many Lebanese churches and many pastors that you know very well. Eli Haddad is doing a great job in the seminary, where they transformed all the seminary to guest house just to receive homeless people and those who are in pain. We are very grateful to him and we are very proud for our church in Lebanon.
Our church stepped out to help the runaway refugees from the Arab countries around us. We serve them with the love of Christ, with all kinds of ministries, educational ministries, social ministries, medical ministries, spiritual ministries. Ever since, our church is not the same anymore.
كنيسة رياض تميزت باستيعاب آلاف اللاجئين وقامت بخدمتهم اجتماعياً، صحياً، علمياً.
نحن بننتمي لكنيسة المسيح في العالم. هالمساعدات اللي عم يبعثوا لنا إياها نعتبرها تشجيعية في حياة الإيمان لهالكنيسة المعتبرة نائية.
بداية كان في نوع من الخوف من المعمدانيين لأنه نحن نبشر، لكن وقت عرفوا أنه الكنيسة المعمدانية فعلا عم تساعد العالم بدأنا نحن بجسور تواصل غيرت نظرة الناس نحو الكنيسة المعمدانية.
We are here, the only church in Shuf area. We are few Christians here serving the Druze community. The food packages are very, very important nowadays because Lebanon as a country is falling into economical crisis.
احنا بالكنيسة صار في عنا فرصة حتى نقدم مساعدة مالية بالأقساط المدرسية خاصة للأولاد المحتاجين، لأنه بنعرف أنه العلم هو أساس بمجتمعنا.
In 2010, Farhabo Church received a call for action to help Syrian refugees in our area. From that time, every brothers and sister became ready to go to the field and to help the people.
Since the beginning of the Lebanese Revolution in October 17, every Monday we used to put up a tent and talk about social issues and how they affect us in a spiritual manner.
As you have seen, after August 4, the Lebanese church willingly, gladly, they were blessed to be on the ground with everyone who is in pain in different capacity.
As a church, we stepped out again, going to Beirut, to the area of the explosion in the seaport, to help our wounded and broken people there.
Every brothers and sister became ready to go to the field to help Lebanese people who are in need, especially after the economic crisis and after the explosion in Beirut.
الخدمة خارج الكنيسة هي قوة الكنيسة، لأنه الكنيسة هدفها العمل في وسط المجتمع مش القوقعة ضمن جدران. ومؤخراً بلشنا نساعد بترميم المنازل المتضررة بانفجار بيروت.
Literally and spiritually, all the doors are open now to the gospel of Christ.
As you have seen, God has transformed the church in Lebanon and still transforming the church. Our vision at LSESD is to empower the church through social and educational activities. Kindly Keep us in your prayers. We want to continue serving him and be a lighthouse in this Middle East. Thank you so much.